Hi guys, so good morning. Welcome once again to our channel Job Opportunity Worldwide. So today guys, we will learn the difference between an employee and a freelancer. This is just a quick video guys, but before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, okay? And you can do this, subscribe here, or you can click here and then tap the bell button, or if you are on a mobile phone, click here, subscribe, and then tap the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next upload natin. Okay? So, let's start. So, ang employee guys, alam naman natin, they have a fixed employer, they have a fixed working hours. Maraming benefit yan guys, maraming pros and cons yung employee and din yung freelancer. It really depends on your need guys. But as you can see, right now we are on this pandemic. So, most companies, they are switching now into working at home. Kasi nga, we are quarantined sa home, di ba? So, ito yun guys, ang kagandahan ng freelancer. Kasi, freelancer, para sa akin marami siyang benefits compare sa employee. Kasi, yung employee, as I have mentioned, they have a fixed income, they have a fixed employer. Dito sa freelancer, guys, you can have different employees or multiple employees, different companies. Therefore, if you have multiple clients, you can have multiple income stream. Yun ang kagandahan. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys, ito yung rate natin ngayon. Kasi sa freeup.net, hourly rate tayo. So, being a freelancer guys, you can have multiple titles. You can be a virtual assistant, VA, researcher, translator, transcriptionist, video note taker, video editor, customer service, pwede din. So, ito yung company natin guys, freeup.net. So, marami tayong pwedeng applyan guys, being a freelancer. Pwede tayong mag-apply sa Upwork, sa Outsourceschool.com, sa onlinejobs.ph, sa freelancer.com. Pero ano yung kainaibahan ng FreeUp guys? Maraming benefits si FreeUp guys. We have a separate video for that. Pero ito yun guys, if you haven't tried yet FreeUp, try nyo muna. Kasi, especially if you have BPO experience, you can definitely try this first. Medyo strict si FreeUp guys. Alam naman natin guys na trust is very important, diba? In all of us, in all aspects of our lives. Dito sa FreeUp guys, we prioritize referrals. For example, you are referred or na-refer ka ng FreeUp worker like me. So most likely you will get hired. But of course, it really depends if you pass the interview kasi may interview pa tayo. Also, depende sa skills mo. Ang kagandahan guys is this. Once you are inside the FreeUp network guys, you can start looking for clients. Ito pala guys, yung mga skills na kailangan mo before you apply. We have Amazon, Shopify, virtual assistant, pwedeng maging call center admin, pwedeng maging customer service, pwedeng maging social media manager ka, mag-manage ka lang ng Facebook account ng client or YouTube account ng client. If wala ka pang experience for clients before, pwede ka dito guys, if you are a web designer, WordPress, pwede kang mag-apply dito guys. Pwede kang mag-apply pa rin sa FreeUp. And as long as you have the skills, you have the titles, or you are a graduate. Imagine guys, $30 to $40 per hour yan. Walang preference. Meaning to say, the client wants to hire anywhere in the Philippines. Okay? 4 minutes tayo. So, ito yun guys, ang nasasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Kasi maraming nagsasabi na, okay, freelancer ako, I can work anytime, anywhere. Yes, that's true guys. But also, it will depend on the client. Especially sa nature ng work. Kasi mayroon ibang work na kailangan fixed working hours ka. Kahit tulad ko, I'm a customer service. So, I have to be online 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Manila time. But this one guys, flexible and set by a freelancer, meaning to say, you can work anytime. Diba? Ito, graphic designer, t-shirt merchandiser, designer. Okay? Mag-design ka ng mga shirts. $7 to $10 per hour yung rate. For example lang guys yung palagay na lang natin $5 per hour ka, tapos full time 40 hours a week ka, so times 40, so that's 200 per week times 4 weeks. So yung income mo guys, so $800 per month, or times natin sa 50, $40,000 pesos per month. Isang client pa lang yan. What if you have 3 na ganito, graphic designer, kasi wala siyang working hours, diba? You can work anytime. So imagine if you have that kind of opportunity guys, mag-work ka pa ba sa office, diba? So yan ang kagandahan ng freelancer guys. I have been working as a freelancer guys since 2016, and as of now I'm not going back to office. No offense guys sa office work, maganda ang office work, kasi diyan din ako nanggaling. But if you want to have a multiple income stream guys, you might wanna try this one. Take it seriously lang guys. Do not think na okay, pag part-time lang muna ako dito. Some nag-part-time sila guys, but as soon as they realize, oh, maganda pala ito, and they are actually going full-time. Okay? Now, a bonus lang guys, if you can see on my cap, di ba, Filipino Homes. I am with the Filipino Homes. This video is actually sponsored by Filipino Homes. Ever since I started this tutorial guys, this is sponsored by Filipino Homes. The reason why I'm doing this, it's because I want to help more people, and na-learn ko yan sa Filipino Homes guys. Kasi yung Filipino Homes guys is a real estate company siya, but this is not just a company. This is not just a real estate company. Ang goal kasi ng Filipino Homes is helping our Filipinos na magkaroon ng magandang bahay. Yan ang kaganahan ng Filipino Homes. But maraming company under sa Filipino Homes guys. Mayroon tayong Rotary Realty and Brokerage, mayroon tayong web design, mayroon tayong may mga insurances tayo. So maraming company yan guys under Filipino Homes. Okay, you can join for free guys sa Filipino Homes. You can join for free. Our founder is Anthony Gerard Loterio. I will be featuring him in our next videos on how he started and kung anong goal niya guys sa life niya. Actually, ang goal niya lang guys is to help a lot of Filipinos. So the reason why we are doing this video guys, because we are inspired by this person. So since we started guys in 2016, ito na yung sales namin. Okay, so sa Filipino Home, so maganda siya guys na sideline din if you want to earn extra. So if you want to join for free, just PM me or just message me or comment below sa video na ito. Okay? So thank you once again guys. So I hope naliwanagan po kayo sa tutorial natin. Ano yung freelancer, ano yung employee. So you can Google guys, marami pa yung definition. But today guys, just a basic knowledge kasi may nagtanong sa atin, ano yung freelancing? Okay? Ano yung advantages? Okay? So if you want to learn more, just subscribe to our channel. We do not ask any monetary funds from you. The way you can help guys is to just subscribe and watch our videos. So once again, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and be safe. Bye bye.